How to reset head-up display settings on Mitsubishi Outlander. So first things first, let me explain at the very beginning how to navigate on your dashboard. So you need to use those parts of the steering wheel. Here you've got arrows right and left. You need to use them to navigate. You have to also press OK button to choose options and use OK button as a scroller to use a scroller. Alright, so now if you know the basics, let's jump into the dashboard. So let me make it bigger for you. And here, let's highlight the settings. If you have settings highlighted, let's just press OK to confirm it. Then you need to scroll down. And as you can see, here you can find head-up display. Let's just press it to open the head-up display settings. So here at the bottom, you've got reset. Choosing this function clears all of your custom changes for the windshield display. It instantly returns the brightness, height, and rotation numbers back to the original factory default position, so you can adjust them again from scratch. Let me just check it out. Tap reset, confirm by pressing yes, and that's it. As you can see, reset is complete, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.